Hello, today I will show you the Xiaomi Selfie Stick Tripod and how to make a Bluetooth connection with your phone so you can take pictures wirelessly. Charge the detachable Bluetooth remote via the micro USB port before use it. The handle can be converted into a tripod. The phone holder rotates 360 degrees and has a non-slip grip to hold even larger phones. It weighs only 155 grams, is foldable and can be easily carried in a bag or even a pocket. The light glows red when charging, and turns blue when the battery is full. To pair your phone with the Bluetooth remote control, hold the button until the light starts flashing, and on your phone, in the Bluetooth settings, find the XMZPG device and pair it. Now you can start taking pictures or recording video. To turn off the remote control, hold the button down for about 3 seconds. Let's put our phone on a selfie stick. You can use the front or back camera, for better quality the back camera, but when you take a picture from back camera you can't look at the phone screen. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.